DIY arch here. Remember that water truck we checked? Come back to take a look at it, and they got this thing in all kind of pieces. So let's check it out, see what's up with it. They got the whole front end ripped apart on it. There's the water cannons on the front. Look what we got inside here. Look how big this stuff is. It's huge. Look at these. Incredible. So you can see you got your springs here. Got your shocks right there. All those connect to your wheel there. Then you got your, that's for your drive column there for your steering wheel. It goes right up to your steering wheel. Look at that. Wow, huh? Got a drive shaft. Drive shaft sitting down there where your drive shaft connects. This is that big water pig. This is crazy. It's got your air brake system in here. Another drive shaft for the four-wheel drive in it. There's a yoke up in there. You see the engine sitting up in there and dipsticks. And the tires off to the side here. I believe they can inflate themselves. These somehow hook up to it, and if it gets low, it'll start filling itself back up. And that's what these do. These are just protectors for these hoses that are sitting on here. That way you can keep filling it up with air. That's pretty impressive right there. I wonder what them caps are. I wonder why them were over it, but it's protecting all them hoses to keep the air in the tires, which is pretty slick. Yeah, check this out. That's a big truck right there. Yeah, there's all kinds of it exposed under here. Look at that. Here's the other side. Look, here's where it connects to make your tire turn. And the bar that goes across there. Look, I believe we just located the turbo. All right, guys, make sure you like, subscribe, share this one, and we will see you on the next one. Make sure you get the notifications. We're doing this stuff all the time. Appreciate all you guys' support and everybody who subscribed. That's awesome. We'll keep giving you good tips and trying to keep pushing everybody forward. Stay up and have a good one. Be safe.